Hello guys, this is Rakesh Sharma. Welcome back. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this playlist, in this series, we will cover the what is Jira software and how to use this Jira software. So in this video, we will only focus on introduction part. What is Jira and why need Jira software? So this is a very important thing if you are a fresher, if you are an experienced person. So I think in this time you have much knowledge about the Jira software. So let's talk about the course introduction. So we will see what is Jira. Okay, so go to second page and here you can see basically Jira is just a piece of software. Okay, it's a kinds of software which is used for tracking your project status, work status, tracking your bugs and issues. It is also, you can say, like used for teamwork, team management and time tracking. So this is the very important things for every developer. And second thing, here you can see who should learn Jira. So this is a very important thing, who should learn Jira. Everyone can learn Jira, everyone can use the Jira software. Basically Jira software also used for time management for daily basis. Sorry. So let's say if you are a business developer, if you are a software developer, if you are a QA testing team, so they can use the Jira software, and it is very important for team management and team lead. This is a very important things. So here in the next slide you can see why need Jira. So previously we were working on the Excel sheet, but now in this time no need to make the Excel, other documents. Jira provide the lots of things. Jira provide the another platform to perform your tracking. You can manage your time management and you can get your product status. So they can Jira software provide a lot of things. And also if you are a fresher, so you can easily get the job if you have knowledge about the Jira software. And developer can easily communicate with on this on the product in the Jira software. They can easily communicate, they can mention, they can comment to each other. So these are the very, we will see in practical view how to use the Jira software. This video is only for the introduction part. So, and let's talk about little bit history of Jira software. Basically Jira developed by Atlassian company. It is a Japanese company. Jira product, there are three kinds of Jira product. First one is the Jira work management and Jira software and Jira service management. So in this playlist, in this series, we will cover only Jira software. And let's move to another slide. What we will learn in this series. So in this series we will learn how to make the project in Jira, practical use of Jira, how to make epic, story, bug, task, and also project setting. Project, we will also learn the project, how to create the project dashboard, sprint, agile, scrum, search items, bug story and etc. What is a sprint and grooming? So these are the very important we will cover in the next video in this series step by step. So this is the first video of related to Jira software. So that's it. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching this video.